Hi students, I'm Miss Aira and welcome to Learn with Miss Aira. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for studying step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's start. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you learn faster. You can ask it questions and get instant explanations for any topic. It's great for making notes and preparing for your upcoming exams. Think of ChatGPT as a smart study assistant that is available anytime. To use ChatGPT, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. You can use it seamlessly on your phone, laptop, or tablet. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free in just a few minutes. Once you're in, the possibilities for learning are endless. ChatGPT works best when you ask clear and specific questions. Instead of asking something vague like explain science, try this instead. Explain photosynthesis in simple words for a Class 8 student. Giving ChatGPT context helps it give you the most helpful answers. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor its help to you. Students can use ChatGPT for a variety of tasks to boost productivity. It can explain difficult topics simply and help you create short study notes. Use it to summarize long chapters or prepare practice questions for exams. For example, ask it to make short notes on climate change for revision. ChatGPT is a learning tool, not a cheating tool. This is very important. Always understand what you study and cross-check important information. Use AI to learn smarter, not as a way to skip the actual learning process. If you want a free PDF with ChatGPT study prompts, check the link below. Subscribe to Learn with Miss Aira and start learning smart with AI.